Show me what America looks like. That's right. This is what America looks like, and no shithole president is gonna change that. Is that right? We're gonna do whatever it takes to stand up for each other and with each other. If that means putting our bodies on the line, and we're gonna do it. So give it up for somebody who did that this week, my friend, Councilmember Jumaane Williams.
Morte drapeau! Morte drapeau! So I woke up and I tried to find out where the shithole was. And I realized it was Donald Trump's mouth. As I said earlier today, Donald Trump is doing the devil's work. And anybody who is not speaking out today is complicit with that devil's work. No hate, no fear. Haitians are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Haitians are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Africans are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Africans are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Immigrants are welcome here, no hate, no fear. Everyone is welcome here, no hate, no fear. Everyone is welcome here. Just real quick, they try to say this is not what America is built on. America was built on racism. America was built on this kind of talk. But thankfully, so many of us have pushed back on this racism. We will do that today. Before I leave, when I was younger, it was a disrespect to be called a Haitian. It was disrespect to be called African. It was disrespect to be called black. But today, I'm going to tell you what to say when they call you a Haitian so-and-so, an African such and such, a black such and such. Hold your head high, put your shoulders back, and stand tall. Look them dead in the eye with your broad nose and your thick lips and your coarse hair and your skin that's been kissed by the sun, and say thank you, thank you, thank you for recognizing my greatness.